Hello, this is Judy, and we are moving on with another layout from Kirsty's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. And today we're working on day 13, and this sketch is by Vicky Taguinod. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm sorry, Vicky, but it's a really cute sketch, so that's the whole idea. And I'm going to be doing another one with flip-flaps. And this is again at the playground or playland that I've been scrapping for the last few days. My grandson, who's only a year and a half in this photo, a year and a half, and he's a fan of these, like the pinball machines. But it's the racing, car driving, obviously. I don't know. I don't play the games online, so it's a Batman game. I see that. But he goes straight to this area when they go to this playground, playland. And this is where he sits and he just watches the screen. He doesn't have money to put in there or anything like that. He just sits and watches. And I like how they put the little tags on them that correspond with the color the mom has. So they know what kid belongs to what mom. It's a really nice place, and it's just really nice. I wish they had a place like that around where I am. But anyways, I started with a black background, okay, and I drew white gel pen around the outside. And then my first layer is this plaid that I've used before, and I did a black journaling line around it. And then this is my next layer, and I did black journaling line around here as well. And I just skipped wherever the dots were to give it that three-dimensional look. So let's see the sketch again. So my photos are going to be horizontal, okay, instead of vertical. Fine. I got the base, that layer, and that layer. So a couple embellishment areas, and a flag up here, some journaling, the title. So looks easy. All right, so I was contemplating which color mats for the photos, and I put a journaling card here. So it'll flip out like this, or he's climbing up, and here he's standing at it. And then this is from the back where I stood and I took a picture because I'm like, what are you doing? He was there for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes just sitting there. But anyways, I pulled out a bunch of stickers, and I think you probably can see them. If not, I put them onto my sticker release sheet, and then I took them off and put them here because I was going through a video and editing it, and while I was doing it, I was getting ready for this one. So I was pulling these out, and this was one that made me determined to use the green mats. Otherwise, they were going to be red, and red just clashed too much. So the green was a better color. I think maybe because there's green in here and it helped to blend. But the orange and the yellow are going to draw your eye right into the layout. So I really like that. I also found some gaming remotes. And it says Game On. And then this one is Love This Little Dude to the Moon and Back. And then, of course, the Adorable, which will go with his shirt. So let's see, I could put that over here or even like here, because the first one will show it, but it doesn't really show up too well there. So I think maybe I'll just put it here, and then I'll do the journaling around it and use that Adorable as part of the journaling. That's always a neat trick. And then I did pull out a red, but because there's other red in here, it blends in. So I might be able to put it like down here. I'm not going to do it though because it's really sticky. And then Game On, of course, we could put this anywhere. And I did like this one because when he saw me watching him, he's like, you know, he was all cool. Like he didn't want to look at me or smile or call me over, but he's like, he knew I was there. So it's like, watch me. Don't leave, watch what I'm doing. So, and then I got some wood grain ones, and then the playtime. It's here. So I don't have to use them all, but I pulled in a bunch of them. So for the title, really thought of what I want to do yet. We'll see. I've got some things going through my mind, but I haven't figured it out yet. And by the looks of where she has hers up here, so I can put the title up here if I follow the sketch. Of course, it's if I turn it on its side, I could put the title like up and down here, which I've done in a couple of the other ones. That's an idea as well. I do have to find something to do the banner. I want to do the banner because I love to do banners. And I haven't really done any of them series, so I'm going to pull out some flags and figure out what I'm going to do for a title, and then I'll be back. All right, I decided I'm going to put my title here, and I'm going to do Game On. So it's very fitting. I was thinking like Pinball Wizard or something, but it's really not a pinball machine. So I thought Game On would be fine. And I put down both of these and I overlap them, and then to put this over the top, it's going to be framed by the green, and that fits just like perfect. But I have to then put this underneath this. So I'm going to carefully, and this is a flip flap from Close to My Heart. And I've been saying I hope Stampin' Up brings them in. I'm so hoping soon, right? Okay, so trying to finagle this with the video going is not real easy, but let me see. I think I got it crooked. Oh, maybe not too bad. All right, that looks all right. Lucky me. All right, so we can overlap some of these with the photo. And I'm going to just use this here. Oh, I've got to find things for the flag. I didn't do that. I was so excited about to get everything down and show you the flip flap that I forgot. Oh, and I wrote on here, I said, how adorable is this little boy, and blah, blah, blah. So I can put Game On maybe here. Maybe I'll have it tucking under there so that you see that there's something there to lift. Of course, you will see that when you have this on top of the page protector, but anyways, so we'll have that Game On there, and this is going to go here just like Dad, because Dad is also likes to play the video games. And we'll do Whiz Kid. We'll do Whiz Kid up here. Okay, and I think that's enough. And then just have the title and Game On, and it's good. I might be able to find some bling or something to make it pop up. It's just something of interest. I like how it is right now. Maybe some orange enamel dots. That would be cool. All right, let me see what else I have, and I'll get the title done, and then I'll be back. All right, I cut my title out on the Cricut. I just want to do the big reveal. And I tried to slant it to match the Batman on the machine. Let's see. I'm going to flip these over because I'll apply glue to the other side. I don't want to do too much and have it dry on me. And I think we want the shadow, so I'm going to just offset them a little bit. That looks pretty good. It's not the exact match of what the offset is on the machine, but it gives that representation, so I'm okay with it. All right. All right, and another thing, instead of the orange enamel dots, I found stars in my star container that I didn't use in my layout from yesterday. And I thought I would put some liquid glass on it, or dimensional glue to make it shiny. So I'll get these stuck down first. Now, having noticed, I'm not going to say never, but I tend to put my little sprinkling things around the outside to frame the photos. It's really funny how I go back and look at my layouts and see that I've done that without even realizing it. Because it keeps your eye in the middle. These are like a frame to keep you from looking off the page, which is cool. So let's go ahead and stick these down. I like the little remote here. Here. So game on, game on, game on. 3 times. Okay. So I'll get some dimensional adhesive and put it on here, and then it will show in the close-ups when I take photos to show you how shiny they are. So I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. And this is another 3 photos in my scrapbook. And it's just adorable. So take care. Bye-bye.